What if a small wall-mounted gadget claiming to cool your room in minutes could replace a traditional air conditioner? That's exactly what the Selnivo Multifunctional Wall Air Conditioner promises, but after examining its features, specifications, marketing claims, and customer feedback, the reality appears far less straightforward. Selnivo advertises this device as a powerful plug-and-play cooling solution that requires no installation and can supposedly deliver fast, efficient cooling similar to a real air conditioner. However, there is no verified evidence showing that it uses true refrigeration technology like a conventional AC system. Instead, the product appears much closer to a compact fan or evaporative cooling device, which can create airflow and provide some temporary cooling sensation but may not significantly lower room temperature, especially in hot or humid environments. Another concern is the lack of detailed cooling specifications, independent HVAC testing, or technical performance data that would support the bold marketing claims. The website also relies heavily on urgency tactics such as limited time discounts, countdown timers, and low stock warnings, which are commonly used to encourage impulse purchases. Questions have also been raised about the authenticity of customer testimonials, review counts, and claims of extensive HVAC expertise, as independent verification is difficult to find. The product itself resembles generic gadgets sold under multiple brand names across various online stores, often at much lower prices. While some buyers report that it functions as a personal cooling device or fan, others express disappointment because it does not perform like a real air conditioner as advertised. Based on the available information, the Selnivo air conditioner may offer some basic cooling comfort, but the marketing appears to create expectations that may not match real-world performance. If you are considering buying it, make sure you understand exactly what type of device it is before making your decision.